Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new earning website where you can get BNB very easily and freely. Enjoy the complete BNB mutual betting and casino experience from this website. Now I am going to show you each and everything, and I will tell you everything in deep how you can earn more and more BNB from this website, Binance coin from this website. Here, first of all, how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Here you need to put your username, then put email, then put password, two places, then fill up the captcha I am not a robot, and click on sign up option. Then you can sign up on this website very easily. I already have account. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this website. We have many options over here. FAQ option is very useful. You can get answer of every question you have. You can get your answer over here. You can ask here any question frequently and very easily. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this website. Now after sign up on this website, when you log in, you can see this type of interface will come in front of you. We have many options over here to get BNB from this website very easily and freely. First one is faucet, then game, deposit, withdraw, settings, affiliates. That all options are very useful. Now I am going to take first faucet from in front of you and fill up this robot captcha I am not a robot, and click claim. Now you can see how much I got about 27 BNB Binance coin from this website. If you can confirm your email after registration, click on verify option here and you can see how much first reward I got from this website, and you have to come on to your email and click on refresh it. Here you can see I got email from the website and click on confirm your email. After that confirmation, you can see I got about 10 extra faucet from this website. That is very useful. Through this way I got about more and more from this website, and you can see I have 10 faucet left that I get from this website as a bonus. Now we have another option, that is games. You can play games here, dice, slots, games, mines, and roulette and high baccarat and many more from this website to get earn more and more from this website. We have a very useful option, that is deposit. You can also deposit here. You can deposit here through this website. You just need to copy this link, paste this link in your any other crypto wallet just to deposit here without any hesitation. And either you can deposit here, you can get more and more from this website. We have no minimum deposit account. We accept credit all deposit to your account. Withdraw option is also very useful. You can come here and you can see you can get withdraw after when you have 0.002 BNB in your account. That is very useful. Here you need to put your BNB address, then account, then transaction fee. You can check here. I am not a bot. Click here and click on withdraw option. You can take withdraw from here very easily. Affiliate option is also very useful. You can see you can get about 50% of your base price games. You can get 0.4 and surveys about 5% you can get from your affiliate earners. Here you go to your affiliate link. You just need to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. Other person join this website by using your link. You will work on it. This website you can earn more and more from your referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it, and if you want more these type of videos, you just need to subscribe my channel.